Here we go, going to the West Palm RV show. Here we go, Weekend Wanderers, let's do it.
Let's have fun.
Go down this aisle.
We know what we want. We
Oh,
want
look,
lots of
hold on.
windows.
Yes. What's that again?
Lots of windows.
We need lots of windows. Look at this vibe.
King bed. Oh, the vibe.
Yeah. Lots of windows. And what else we need? Yeah. Of course, it was vibe. I like because it has the LEDs and it's fiberglass side. We would need to get the slide cover. This one right there.
And we like this. Stabilizer.
Yes. And I like that towing weight. He knows the man that put this together, the final stamp on here. I like this pass-through. Look at this. This is great. Look at all this space. This is another bedroom in here. Like, seriously, look at this. I can crawl in here. Like, this is great. Good God, this is nice.
We do 100% pre-loading inspection. So we inspect every unit before it goes out.
This is nice. Travel mode. You can still get in here. That's more room. This is a little drawer right there. Wow.
Yeah, then you got a quick connect LP for if you want to pick up a griller.
Oh,
The TV is right there, so you just sit here and you can eat. Oh.
that's a big view. This is nice. It can work right here. This is kind of nice. Well, I mean, it's got a lot of space.
Pantry.
Here, show me. Give me a tour of the kitchen.
That's a pantry. Oven. Drawers, which is what I wanted.
Yep. Look at the
Bathroom, right?
look at the faucets
Look at the
and the
bathroom.
sink. This is a metal sink. Nice. Oh, pass through. Oh, this bathroom is really
I
nice.
know. This is $35,000.
Wow. This is, and it has another door, so when you're in travel mode, you enter there. This is is that a queen bed?
No. I think it's
Oh,
a
look.
king, actually.
Look at it. Hold on. Let's get this. Let's see. Sit on the toilet. Oh, porcelain. Look at all my space.
Weight of this. This is nice. This is Fort Pierce.
This is really nice. All right, here we go. Let's get this. It is the 2025 2400 RV vibe. Very nice. I like this design. Oh, look. See the pantry?
I know. If you can create my own video still. Yeah, all in one.
This is very nice. All in one. Let me see. Show me that again.
Oven, microwave, and convection.
Okay, so all in one. Oven, microwave, convection. Lots of windows over that kitchen. Like headspace. This is kind of an option.
So open.
This is an option here. Uh-oh. This is why. Wow.
Picture of that.
Yeah.
You're gonna see how much it makes.
Babe, but I like this right here. I like that little counter area. All right, let's see. Let me go. Let me take a look up front.
On the outside, there's a
Yes.
fridge.
I like that. That's kind of nice in there. Here, let me go up here this time. Right here. Nice pass through.
It's an outdoor fridge.
Nice. And my LEDs. Here we go. Let's come over here. Look at the sticker. We're at gross rate 3,500. It's 1,500. Yeah, that's well within our tow. So you always got to take a look at your tow capacity. So we're definitely within our vehicle rating. It's all about safety. One slide out over here. You see, are these automatic? Jack there. Let's go inside one of these. Motor coach. Let's see what the future holds. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah. This. Yeah. If you're gonna do it. Oh, it's plenty. Look how much space there. Oh, look at this. That's huge. That's interesting.
Oh, wow.
Check this out. It lifts up and you have your mirror.
That way, look, that way you can get changed.
You can get changed in here.
And get ready, wait.
This is nice. Look how much space.
I know, and the TV.
Look how wide it is. Let me sit in that chair. The driver's seat. Wow.
These have seatbelts here.
Oh, so that's why. Kind of nice. Got a little desk area there. It's got plenty of leg room. My legs are comfortable. I can stretch out. This is kind of nice. Little motor coach. It's only what, 111,000?
No, 150, I think.
150? Well, we can negotiate that.
Yeah, that's this.
This is nice.
It's pretty nice.
Wow.
Feels
Babe,
big.
this is, I like. This is nice.
Good.
All right, we are finished with the West Palm RV show. What you got?
What did I think of it?
Yeah.
It was fun. It was nice to walk through RVs and not have people looking over your shoulder. And but I think now we're a little more confused of what we might want in our larger RV upgrade.
Oh, so you're saying you're able to see more selection of RVs?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was definitely a good thing. So we are, all right, that's it for this edition of the West Palm Beach RV show. So now it's time to go back and
Discuss.
discuss before our next big purchase.